Good evening, guys. Tonight we're going to be having a new little recipe. It's super fun. This is Good Friday and I'm excited to be home early. But we are going to be having a little variety of chicken cordon bleu along with some topping of some Alfredo sauce. So what I have here is some chicken breasts that have been split and filleted, and inside I have some sun-dried tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and some ham. And we're just gonna put these on some oil and brown them on all sides, not till they're cooked, just till they're brown. And then we're gonna put these to the oven. But I am so excited about this recipe. Super flavorful and so delicious. So stay tuned to find out more. So these have been cooking for 5 minutes on each side. And I failed to tell you earlier that these have been sprinkled with garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, along with salt and pepper. So now that they've cooked on 6 minutes on each side and they're nice and brown, see how pretty they are? We're just gonna remove them from the pan and keep the drippings in the pans to make all the good stuff. And then we're just gonna set these aside and then make the Alfredo sauce along with the fresh garlic in here. With the chicken drippings in the pan, we're just gonna add a little bit more olive oil and then add in 1 chopped Vidalia onion. Just give that a little stir and soak in all that goodness. And I'm gonna add in 4 cloves of minced garlic. If you can use fresh, it's best. Doesn't have anything added to it. It's just the fresh ingredient itself. And they have a beautiful supply of these at the farmer's market. We're gonna transfer the chicken to a greased baking dish. Cover this with foil. I'm gonna put this into the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. So while the chicken's in the oven, let's get busy making the good stuff. So to our garlic and onion mixture that we've already sauteed, we're gonna add in 3 cups of heavy cream. Once it starts to bubble, I'm gonna add in another handful of sun-dried tomatoes along with 2 cups of freshly shredded Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna remove the chicken from the oven, and then we're gonna pour on top of that the Alfredo sauce. I have to have some assistance from my partner because it's too heavy for me. Good. Thank you.
Is that all you need?
Yep, that's perfect. Thank you. And we're going to cover that with some freshly grated mozzarella cheese. This is about 1.5 cups. And then I also have a mixture of some of my herbs. So I have oregano, basil, and parsley. And we're going to chop it with that. Stick this back into the oven for around 5 minutes until this is nice and melted and golden brown. We've just removed everything from the oven, and oh my gosh, does it smell delicious in here. I'm serving mine with some sauteed kale. So I'm just going to put a couple pieces of this Latino kale on the plate. Look how pretty that is. Add the chicken cordon bleu / Alfredo right on top of that. Let's give it a little extra serving of sauce. Check out all that cheese. And voila.